Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my video. Today I'm just going to show you how you can install just a standard low mount NOVAK sight. This one here, I've taken out the white dots because I'm going to put something else in it, but this is a standard low mount. It's I think 495 by 65 by 128 low mount 1911 sight. It depends on your gun, but let me just show you this gun. It's empty. Okay, it's empty. This is a cabot. Normally you have a dovetail here. The easiest way to do this, you back off the screw and you would just slide it in, and actually it's pretty easy to put in. You just get a wrench and you tighten that in and you just tighten it down, and that's it. It's very sure tight. I like NOVAK because that's real strong. These are low mount, they're not adjustable, so you know, if you have to adjust it, you wouldn't be able to do that. You'd have to just point up or down. They make it adjustable in the next sight, you know, the next video I will be doing it, but this is the low mount fixed sight NOVAK sight for 1911. I wanted to show you that, and it's that easy to put them on. Thank you guys.